Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. In this video, we will discuss the sweep command in detail. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So for the sweep command, we required one trajectory and one section. Firstly, I will create the trajectory. I am sketching here. So I have created the trajectory here. Select the trajectory. Like this you can change the direction, and here in the section you can draw a section like this. Give the dimension and say OK. Now here you can see that the same section along the trajectory it is flowing. So like this, the same section along the trajectory. In the surface, in the thicken and in the solid, you can create the feature by using sweep. Like this, in the thicken you can give the thickness value. So here I have, this one is a trajectory. Now I have to sweep the section. So select the trajectory first. So here you can flip the first end point. So starting point is here, like this. So here is the starting point. You can sketch here by in the section. So this one is the point here. So draw here section. So you can draw here circle, rectangular or any profile, close profile. Like this, the same section is sweep along the trajectory. So here you can see that the thickness inside, outside or symmetric we can create it. So here I have selected the trajectory, flip the direction and sketching here. Now here I am sketching the rectangular section like this. Any section you can sweep along the trajectory. Now here 4 guiding curves and 1 middle trajectory is there. So here select the variable sweep section and select the trajectory. And select the guiding curves. Now create the section but constraint to the guiding lines. The section is created but constraint to the guiding lines. Now say OK. Now here you can see that the section is guided by guiding curves. So Like this we can create the variable sweep. So as you can see here, I have one trajectory and two guiding curves. So select the variable sweep, select the section, select the trajectory first and then the guiding curves. And here you can draw a section, create the section. I am here creating the circle and constraint to the trajectory point. So I have constraint here, and this one is the constraint to the another. Now here you can see that the section is sweep with the help of guiding curves. So like this we can use the variable sweep. Suppose I have this one is the block. Now I want to remove the material. Select the edge. So here the edge is selected, but I want a complete. Same here you can select the rule base. Now the tangent edge is also selected, and now here you can draw a section. Like this I have created the section, and I want to remove the revolving. So here I want to remove the material. So select the remove option here, and like this the material is removed along the sweep trajectory. So here I am creating this spline here. This spline is not on the surface, so we can project by using the project command. Select the curve and select the surfaces. Now here you can see that the spline is projected on the surface of the cylinder. So now you can use this complicated curve as the trajectory. So select the sweep, select the trajectory here. I'm selected here, and this one is the started point. Select the section, create the section, and here now you can see that the circle is sweep along the trajectory, and remove the, like here you can remove the material. So friend, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and like and comment the video for any query or suggestion. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. And thank you for watching.